which is, he is from Bellevue, Washington.
This is Fred Johnson for Airailimages. We had a rare opportunity to link up with the Air Force Thunderbirds show team at their announcer's location on the ramp near Show Center at Fairchild Air Force Base. The only better vantage point would be aboard one of the team's F-16s. The professionalism and pride demonstrated by these men and women was inspiring. They weren't just the life of the party, they were the party. Who among us wouldn't jump at the chance to be a Thunderbird if such a metamorphosis were possible? Enjoy the show. Watch for a special handheld red light at the middle of Show Center. This serves as a marker for the jets as they line up for the crowd.
Training now, burners now. Crossover break. You are watching today are in tight formation and at low altitude. They require the same level of concentration and discipline that every Air Force pilot must employ, whether flying combat missions over hostile territory or flying in support of humanitarian efforts in adverse conditions. Now watch as Thunderbird 5 completes his rejoin with the Diamond to perform the load bomb burst. Now watch as Captain Katz has the maximum performance turn, followed by a hacked Cuban 8. Every airman who wears the Thunderbird uniform is a military member first, highly trained in a professional Air Force skill. As Airmen First, Thunderbirds use years of on-the-job training to provide consistent, incredible global vigilance, global reach, and global power, giving a critical edge to today's joint warfighting and coalition teams. Wherever they have been before, and wherever they go after their time on the team, the Thunderbirds are airmen first and airmen always, faithfully and professionally representing their brothers and sisters in arms who are providing unrivaled air, space, and cyber dominance around the globe. Inspirational Delta works!